It's a throw-in, elethu, sharp. Now, quality of a pass. You can't hang. Look at where the ball is. Look, bheka ibhola ukuthi kanjani. I've said it before the whole season ukuthi now a Fuchs Mfana. Your first touch was poor because there's 1-2. It's 2 against 1 on the left-hand side. 1-2-3. Good defending. Great defending by Mbokazi. Now, Uyaya uyenzani? He ends up coming here. This guy was free. He was supposed to be here. Lo ezela. Watch what happens. Sebadlala la. Baphumile. You cannot be a midfielder. Ula, ufuna ukuphasa umuntu la. Ula, ufuna ukuphasa umuntu la. Angeke. Ula, ufuna bafethu. I know. Decision making. Because watch umuntu ibala. Yesibulala yizo lezi zinto lezi. Awu warra. Why do you want to do so? Why ufuna ukudribula? The man is there. Bheka bafethu. Just as bathanda ukutrapha nge-outside foot. Why do you trap nge-outside foot? Why ufuna ukutrapha ibhola so? Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Canada 1, Bafana 0. What hurts is Guti. We could have won this game. Interest Lisile is the quality. Quality on the pitch, quality off the pitch. Quality off the pitch. Our technical team, they failed to recognize when to change, who to change. Keep I don't think that was a good idea. I'm going to show you magnitude quality in Kulumangani. But this game, guys, Sbanigile. Now let's start. There's just too many things to talk about. You know? I'm not going to show you everything. But first half, especially in the first 15 minutes, now, remember the previous video that I did, Canada, I said there's always space MSIT. So the technical team, they did recognize that. And Ipola is on the right hand side. It's a throw-in, elethu, sharp. Now, quality of a pass. You can't hang. Look at where the ball is. Look, I've said it before the whole season. Our players can't pass the ball. Our midfielders, special good national team, they can't pass the ball. The defenders here, you could have easily drive the ball. Now, okay, sharp. Now, it's 2 against 1 here. It's 2 against 1. Now, he should have turned la. He should have turned sipasi bola umfuke free la. Okay, sharp. Maybe Agambonanga is still early in the game. So what he tried to do is he tried to go back there. And he tried to go back to the right hand side. Nothing wrong there. But what I'm trying to show you is Guti, the technical team, they did see Guti in space MSID. Let me show you another clip. Nakia bola sidlala phakathi sharp. Now pass, remember space is kuphi this side. The pass could have been better. Because if you watch la, hang the ball, quality of our passing was poor, whether phezulu or whether pants. Whether phezulu or whether pants, because they knew ukuthi space sizoba khona la. Because watch Umutiba la, it's 2 against 1 SID. Because baba compact. When they are compact, the spaces this side. The quality of our passes was poor. Ngiyaphinda futhi into esilisile la is equality yethu, decision making, right? Quality players, their decision making is proper, the passing is proper. Sharp. Ball gets played. Now, Umwana says, we won la mpana githi. La we won. The only thing that you have to do is to push the ball. trap ibhola kahle uyaliphusha uyashaya or awushayi angithi ushaya target or awushayi target. Okay, sharp, they come back. Now the quality of this pass ibhola uliphasa kancane. Now Mofokeng has to do what? Has to wait for the ball. Bafethu. Now Fuchs Mfana. Your first touch was poor because there's 1-2. It's 2 against 1 on the left hand side. Ball gets played long. Angithi. Poor first touch yaga Makgopa. Poor passing yaga Makgopa. Poor first everything nje la was poor. The Canada guys, they respected our build-up play. That's why they were not pressing ibhola malifika ku Williams, right? They respected us. But the problem with us is we didn't have a plan B. It's like we expected ukuthi bazospressa sidlale long. Now when we had the ball, asimanga kahle. Now you have uMokoena la, angithi sharp. I said ukuthi bazoba compact. Bayenzani? Baba compact. Yes, Umokoena could have played the ball there. Ne quality pass with a strong power. Angithi sharp. Now, ibhola lila. Let me come this side. The ball is here. What you don't want is to have Umutiba in front of this guy. Umutiba needs to be here. Because this guy, it's easy to as a impressa lapaya. He needs to be behind there. Mofokeng angithi ula. Umutiba needs to be here. Because watch Umuta, where is Umuta? Let me play it now sharp here. Angithi. Look where Umuta ugupi. Umutiba ula. It's easy for this guy to press Umutiba. If Umutiba is here, again, easily could have played one touch. Easily. Siyaphuma nge-one touch. One touch, uwapolisula. Siyaphuma nge-one touch. But siyenzani? Sibuyele move. Angithi, sibuyele move, think you fast forward. Just watch what will happen. Sibuyele move. Asisakhona ukuphuma manje, we end up doing what? We end up playing the long ball because initially when they gave us that small space, we didn't take it. Angithi easy ibhola bayakuphasa. Use why ufuna ukutapa kayi-2 one touch boo siyaphuma, but siyenzani? Sibuyele emuva then sigcina sikhahlela ibhola phambili. Quality baspressa sidlala long mnandi sharp. Apolice uyalitrapper. Apolice didn't have a good first half, but in the second half he was our most dangerous player. Now sharp asiyeni. Look at that first touch mfana kithi. That first touch quality bafethu. Now okay sharp uyamthrowa 1-2. That pass again, the pass was not a good pass. A good pass angeke yenze i-teammate yakho i-stretch inyawo kanje. Angeke yenze i-teammate yakho i-stretch ilontuzana inyawo in that way. Angithi now sharp Mwana says ane easily could have passed the ball there. Sifuna ukuyi-foster. Easily could have passed the ball there. Sifuna ukuyi-foster la phakathi nendawo. Already kugcwele la. Here bafethu. There is space ukuthi umuntu angaphasa ibhola phansi. Ispace isikhona la. Nasi space. Phasa ibhola phansi. Bheka ibhola la, at least we tried. But it's the small things, small details where kune space you decide ukuphasa ibhola emoyeni. Those small things nje bafethu yizo ezishaya, just shaya. Decision making and our passing was poor. Ibhola lila ibhola lila, let me take it back kancane. Ibhola lila kuModiba la. Now, which pass is easy? This man here or this man here? Ispace la asikho siningi la. Ispace la asikho siningi la. Mara bafethu. Mara bafethu. Because la kuyenzakalani, we lose the ball. Most of the time we lost the ball in the middle because of poor passing. Watch what 1, 2, 3. Good defending. Great defending by Mbokazi. But small things. You want to play a difficult pass instead of playing an easy pass. Umuntu laphaya, let me take it back. This thing was easy because there was no one in front of him. There's no one in front of him. If you don't want to pass the ball, ne? Kichima ne bola la. Mara bafethu. Or pass him the ball, then you avail yourself. Then you avail yourself. Bafethu. You want to play the ball there? Bafethu. Another thing that killed us is the pressing. Like, we don't know how to press. Tina, we don't know how to press. Even the goal, I'll show you later. Ne? It's the pressing. You don't. Bafethu. That's why I need quality technical team. These things you teach the guys. You had the whole. Bafethu. Sharp. Ibhola lila. Watch uMakgopa. You can't have uMakgopa going this side. Uyaya is here. Uyaya is here. Uyaya is supposed to go la, not here. He's gonna eventually go la. uMakgopa is supposed to be here. Kunento bayibiza i-shadow marking. When you play zonal marking, you are actually, you are blocking the passing lanes. You are shadow marking the person osemva wakho. uMakgopa is supposed to do i-shadow marking la, because uMakgopa uza la instead of good eze la. Umfuke wenze i-shadow marking. Let them pass the ball. They must never pass the ball phakathi. A team must never break us in the middle. They must go around or they must try and go over. Because now Uyaya uyenzani, he ends up coming here. This guy who was free. He was supposed to be here, low ezela. Watch what happens. Sebadlala la, baphumile. Just like that, baphumile. Now, our defending here, la TLP, move. Had a great game. But sometimes there's no need to take a bola bese ufuna ukuwina, ufuna ukurecover bola. No. Sometimes tekela ukhathela ibola ngaphansi, because la sisifaka under pressure. Uphansi sisifaka under pressure. Great recovery lapha Uyaya. Great recovery but Uyaya. Uyaya had a good game. Problem is ukuthi siyazi yilezo zinto lezo nje yabo, but yena umsebenzi wakhe is to defend there. They almost scored via a free kick. Now I always say ukuthi don't give away silly free kicks. We gave away silly free kicks. I'm not going to show you kuzoba ngathi ngatheka abantu angithi sharp. Let me come this side. Now our players la bebakhona la bade, right? We can cope. Now I just want you to watch this thing. Okay, let me play it and then ngizoyibuyisela move. Good for us. Poor finishing there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. Tina C 2, 4, 6, 7. C7. C7. You have these two. You have these two. La by 2 against 1 person. By 2 against 1 person. This guy ukadena lo. I don't know ukuthi ubani lo. Now, umwana sesi ula. I don't know why umwana sesi abaku first man or first pole. Now, watch these two. Now, umukwena as well. Uyamiyekela umuntu wakhe. Because these two yiwo laba bebaku mukwena. But you cannot have ukuthi sibaningi thina elayinini. Sibaningi thina elayinini, but you have 2 people, you have 4 people abagada abantu abayi-2. Kanjani? So besesikhala la, if you don't want to defend, suke elayinini. Those of you who have kids that play soccer, please teach your kids to use both feet, left and right, especially if you are a winger. You cannot be a winger when you always want to use inyawo lakho eli-strong. No, when always you want to tuck in. Ufuna ukutaka in ngathi ushawulile. No, you can't. Now we had an opportunity here. Yeah? You can't be predictable. You can't be so predictable. You can't. Bafethu, no. These people, they've studied you. When njalo muphathi ibhola, you want to tuck in. Why do you want to tuck in? Why? Ngathi uyiphoyisa. Amaphoyisa ahlala tuck in. Kunomuntu that's coming to your left foot. There's no way ukuthi awumboni. Why ungayingali? Yeah? You already know ukuthi khona umuntu ozoza ngapha. It is step over uyeka right. Then you can take a shot. It's either you take a shot or uyapasa. But you cannot be predictable as a soccer player, as a winger. You cannot. Bafethu, no. Bafethu, no. You are so predictable. When every time I party ball, you want to tuck in. Sometimes as a coach, you just need to make a big decision. That's one problem with Hugo. Umukwana didn't have a good game. Yes, there are some players, guys. If abadlali regular, and if Ianza so, even another player who Alende, he needs to play week in, week out. I don't know why. I don't know. Some players are like that. It's football. Yeah? And another thing, I don't think they had friendly matches, just to keep the other guys match fit. Umukwana had a terrible game. You cannot be a midfielder. Ula, ufuna ukupasa umuntu la. Angeke. Ula, ufuna bafethu. No. Decision making, because watch umutiba la. We're free. We knew, guys. We all knew with this team is compact. Everyone upegeleli bola. This team is compact. If I would pass it panty, you can easily scoop the ball. Because it is 2 against 1. You want to think we move until la trap people are because abanye bazothi no uyibone late yere bafethu bayamnika futhi ne. These 2 guys basasela bayamnika futhi uskenile angithi uskenile. Now these 2 basasela, there's no way ukuthi ungaphasa umfukeni la, because already kunomuntu futhi la kumfukeni. Bafethu thina sizidlisile, guys. Runa rijisite jisi sizidlisile. Second half, guys. Second half akhipha umfukeni. Buyela ku-3 midfielders. 1 is a 6, 2 is a 8. Qale lapho nje ngokwenza inkinga. Now, another thing emshayile is we didn't make substitutions to win the game in 90 minutes. Canada did. Right? Umela until the 80th minute or 82, 83 to make a substitution. Bakora. Okay, before I show you the things that happened in the second half, I just want to show you this. How we were set up. Now, in the second half, they changed. I want you to see ukuthi Umbogazi no akhona ukuthi bakupha ngithi. They were always in the box, like yabo, not in the box but close to the this lungu. They were always inside, the meters of the box. Yeah, let me put it like that. Until Williams Azatini, Uti, pushani. Now that's the difference here first half. Let me show you second half ukuthi bayenzeni. Now they made small adjustments, ne? But ezinye izinto guys, you don't just do them, you practice those things, because they made those small adjustments, ne? But at the same time it was still a problem. Angithi watch uMbokazi moving away, like bese baphumile emabhoxini. Now kahle this thing was to stretch these two, right? Angithi they were always pressing Angithi the Canal, so they wanted to stretch. If you look at Williams, let me take it back. If you look at Williams, he tells Akon ukuthi vula. So they wanted them to be just outside the box, right? Babelabo two. Now jive ukuthi asikwazi ukujive. You have uModiba now moving into this space, instead of ukuthi kube uApolis ezela, uModiba ahlale laphaya, uMokoena ezela, uMbatha ezela. Because Maiso, now you are actually telling, you are actually saying good labantu laba baye phambili. Now watch what happens here. Let me come this side. Now you have Apolisi la, you have uModiba la, uMokoena, he's making a run there. That's why there was no need to push ukhiphe Mofokeng, because you needed someone ozoba kuma half spaces. Ibhola liza la. This should have been Apolisi. uMokoena should have been here. Sidlala ibhola, mara bafethu. Now we play the ball long. These things, you don't just make changes and then you think it's gonna work. No, you practice those things. Let me show you another one, right? First 2 minutes of the game, sharp. Watch uMbokazi uyaphuma ebhoxini. Another thing, right? If you've watched Amayama team where they practice, there's always lines, right? Zones, right? Zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. You understand? If your center backs, they are here, they need to be on the same zone. You see, if uMbokazi is here, uAkon needs to be on that block 9. It needs to be like that. Now, Modiba is here, and they need to be on the same blocks as well. Even your 2-8s, they need to be on the same block. But now you have Apolisi la. It would have been perfect or great if you have Umbatha coming in here. Umbatha comes in here, this guy uzoyenzani? Obviously uzomuva kancane. Then you have uModiba emuva kwa this guy. Angithi emuva le. Even on the left hand side, a squad. Then you have Apolisi la. Ball comes here, the ball comes to Akon. But you look at where TLP. If Akon was on this side, he would have had plenty of time to trap the ball and pass. But because he's here, he was close to this guy. Akasana skatesni. Now Akon should have trapped the ball. We are passer. Again, a mistake. It's because this guy can easily pick up Modiba on his eyes, because ne melabela. We are under pressure. It's small things, guys. It's small things. You don't just wake up and do these things. Playing out from the back, if you don't do things properly when you play out from the back, you are going to get punished. That's why you need to practice those things. If you watch the video I did Canada, right? I did say Uguti, just because the team is compact, it does not mean Uguti angeke siba balls. Awa. Why are you greedy? Why don't you pass? Bafethu. Into esibulalayo yizo lezi zinto lezi. Awara. Why do you want to do so? Why do you ufuna ukudribula? The man is there. Bafethu. Bafethu. Just watch everyone here, Bafethu, is facing. We are running towards our goal post. We are running towards our goal post. You pass this guy here. You pass Umutau here. You have Umbata free of charge. You want to deal it done. Now everyone here is akasapegangi pari sesimile manje simele wena. Why ungaphasi? Mara Bafethu asidliswa izinto eziso. Yeah, watch everyone is facing their goal. Uyamnika uzophasa la. Yeah, but now everyone sekayama manje. Bafethu. Stop being greedy. Why do you want glory one? Why? Umntwana uyagijima and there's no way Bafethu angasitshela ukuthi akamubona. No. Umntwana uyagijima mpha. Being greedy is not just a South African thing. Even in Canada, they should have punished us. The guy was greedy. The striker was greedy. Now, let me come this side. You have TLP here. And you have TLP here. Now, ispace is here. You have Ua Police there. Ua Police wenzani ufuna ukuhlala ku touchline. There's no need, Mpanangiti. Umutiba is the one that's supposed to move this side to pull away this guy so that Ua Police ezela phakathi nendawo. Umbokazi is good to pass the ball. But Umutiba uyenzani uvala le space lesi. Makasivala ibhola lenzani liphumela ngaphandle. I mean, liphumela wide. It's small things that make a good attacking team. Is having the right players in the right position. Because now you have a winger out there, you have a defender there. And it's sharp. Even Noah Police, we lost the ball here. Even Noah Police, the pass was bad. Greedy. Oh, ubu greedy, abuke South Africa pair. You are not in a good position to score. There is someone else who's in a better position than you. Yeah? Then you pass the man. Luckily for us, you didn't pass the man. Ubu greedy, abuke South Africa pair. Quality. Those of you who've been watching this channel for the longest of time, you know I always preach quality. Another thing, ebengiyisho ukuthi our players bathanda ukutrapha nge-outside foot. Why do you trap nge-outside foot? Why ufuna ukutrap ibhola so? The ball is coming to you. The ball is coming in this angle. He could have easily tapped the ball with his left foot. Waya phambili. Easily. Mara Reyners. Muna rutepile so muna Reyners. Muna. Yeah? Easily. He could have tapped the ball more left wake. Tap the ball phambili or tepa liale. Muna rutepile muna Reyners. Muna. Utepa outside foot. Yo. Development. You set yourself up. Why do you want to trap so? Why? Bafethu. Look at the time. 88 or 89. Siyakora, siyakhoneni. The game is over. When ufuna ukutrapa outside foot. Now, the final clip, guys. Bese ngiyayivala. We considered the goal because of we don't know how to press. Bafethu. I don't understand this thing. Now you have Umutiba wanting to go there. There's no need for you to lapaya. Just stay here. Let them play the ball there. Okay, sharp. Watch what happens. Now, this is the guy that scores the goal. Okay, Umukwena, you are in the wrong position. Ukatele, Asaz, you are in the wrong position. Now, sharp. Reyners, don't go there. He needs to be here. A team must always play in front of us. Don't go there. You stay here. Muremi, upresse la. Why do you want to go there? Why do you want to go back? 1, 2, they are out. Why? Stick with your man. Angithi, if angithi uyapressa la, if papa selipola la phambili and then you see ukuthi okay, akunamuntu sharp, let them switch the ball, or you get a message ukuthi iya, then you go and press. But you just go and press, balithi ta back to your position there. As a defender, you don't put the ball inside. Ulibuyisela la liphuma khona. Heke la liphuma khona. Bafethu. What's disappointing is that, okay, fine, equality ngiyayibona, okay, sharp, yeah, I understand. Labantu laba, they are not better than us when it comes to talent. No, it's just the quality, the intensity of the game, the passes, yilezo zinto lezo. But what hurts the most is ukuthi we gave them this game. We gave them this game. Manje siyabuya manje uhlangana eMaraba Stars, uhlangana eCarlton Center. Ababuye vele neleague ivule. Thank you for watching, bafethu. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.